Business is like a race, and your organization is like a racing car. Let's explore the analogy. An organization such as a manufacturing firm, a distributor or retailer, a bank, a council, a hospital, a university, one of the emergency services, or a professional firm like a solicitor's or an accountancy practice. All of these sectors are made up of certain costs. There are building costs, which could be seen as the chassis of the car. Transportation costs, which could be seen as the wheels. There are people costs, for example, the directors, managers, and employees in various roles, here represented as the driver. There's other miscellaneous costs, like the connecting parts. And finally, the IT and telecoms costs, which could be seen as the engine and gearbox. Each of these elements represents a percentage of your outgoings. Your building costs could be around 30% of outlay. Transportation could be 20%. The cost of your workforce probably makes up between 40 and 50%. And in addition to the miscellaneous costs, the IT and telecoms element could make up a further 5 to 10%. These percentages fluctuate according to the industry type, but in each case they all add up to 100% of the organization's spend. So, if your business is like a racing car, you need to keep the car running by adding fuel from your suppliers. But in the case of your telecoms, you could be paying more than you need to. If you bring in core cost management, you could think of us as your pit crew, looking after things behind the scenes, while you concentrate on driving the business forward. To reduce your costs, there are a number of strategies we would introduce. We will obtain refunds for areas where you've been historically overcharged by your suppliers. We'll remove wastage by getting rid of equipment you don't use or need any longer. We'll look at how you're using telecoms to support your business. We'll negotiate better deals on current contracts. And we'll continuously monitor all of this to ensure you're running your telecoms at the optimum level. But this isn't the only way that we can help your organization. Another area we specialize in is introducing new technology that's right for your business. Bringing in new technology should be done with extreme care. For instance, what works well in one organization, decreasing costs and improving performance, might not work well in another. And one size does not fit all. So there is a lot to think about when streamlining your business. But with core cost management as your pit crew, you only need to concentrate on the driving. And we'll do the rest.